Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to check your drive speeds, and let's get straight into it. The first thing we need to do is go to the top left corner and we see this icon called this PC. We want to double click on it, and then you can see your drives and the names for your drives as well. I have 4 drives: drive C, D, E, and F. C, D, and F are my SSD drives, and E is my HDD drive. We can check the speed of any drive, whether it's an SSD, NVMe, M2, SATA, or HDD. It doesn't matter. We can check the speed of any drive. But for you, it's important to memorize the letters for each of your drive. So for me, it's C, D, E, and F. But for you, maybe it's different. It could be C, G, H, whatever. So just memorize those because they will be important very soon. After we have done that, we go to the top right corner and we click on Close. Then we go to Search. Here we type CMD, and then we right click on it on the command prompt, and we click on Run as Administrator, and then you click Yes. It will open the command prompt for you. Here, first we want to test the system drive, which is drive C. So we type WinSat space disk space dash drive space C. We press enter, and now it will test the speed of our drive. As you can see here, it tested the read and write speeds, for example, as well as some latencies. So this is an NVMe drive, and it's a bit quicker than, let's say, SATA, for instance. Here you can see the speeds, and to the right you can also see the ratings or the grades for each of these columns. And that's it for our C drive. For me, the next drive is drive D. So I want to test the drive D, but for you, you need to insert the letter for your drive. So I type WinSat space disk space dash drive space D, and then I press enter. And now again it's checking the speed of this drive, and this is an SSD but SATA drive, so it's slower than an NVMe drive, as we can see here, for our read and write speeds. And also we can see the ratings to the right as well. And that would be all for my D drive. I will test one more drive, and I will test an SSD, the last SSD drive I have. I will not test HDD because it's slow. It takes a long time for it to be checked, its speeds to be checked. So I will skip that. But if you want to test an HDD, you can, of course. You just do what I show you to do. So the last SSD is an F drive. So I type WinSat space disk space dash drive space F, and then I press enter. And again it will check the speed of the last SSD I have here. And we can see the read, the write, and we can also see the total runtime that it took for the drive to be checked. And that's all. This was a quick and easy tutorial on how to check your drive speeds without using any software, which you don't need for this. So after we have finished, we just click on X here, and thank you very much for watching my video. If you liked it, please click like, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time, and take care.